Ready? Team A and Team B ready? Both? Yes, right. First question goes to Team A.
5 twos are
5 twos. What is 5 twos? Yes, tell me. 5 twos are 10. Right, very good. Next question. Team B.
10 plus 5.
10 add 5. What is the answer? 15. Very good. Right. Next question. Team A. Next question.
2 nines are
What is 2 nines? 18. Good. Very good. Next question. Team B.
2 plus 2.
Very good. Next question. Team A. Third question goes to Team A.
6 fours are
6 fours. 24. Very good. Right. Next. Team B.
8 eights are
8 eights. Hey, very good. Right. Next question. Team A.
5 plus 5.
10. Good. Next.
Next.
Team B.
27 after
After number. 27 after. Very good.
next.
Last question goes to Team A.
2 plus 1.
2 add 1. 3. Very good. Right. Last question. Team B.
6 plus 2.
6. 8. Right.